Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Shikha. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. How about you, ma'am?
I am good too. So, how's your day coming along?
Yes, my day so far is good.
So far, it's good. That's nice to know. So, what would you like to discuss today?
Nothing. I just seen our topic. So that is unexpected challenge. So prior to having meeting, I just seen. So I had no more, much more idea about that.
Okay, I had the time to go through the topic. The topic is about a hypothetical. Do you want, if there's any word that you don't understand, let me know.
Yes.
Right? So, it's about a hypothetical situation and how you would deal with it. You
Okay.
know, so it's like, suppose one day you're sleeping and your
Yes.
bell rings and there's a stranger at the door saying that he needs help. So would you let the stranger in?
Oh, so this is really very awkward moment for me because which is I never expected, and that would be happen. So the first thing that first thing that I caught myself that what would be happen next moment, and after that I would ask some question that what is the reason and why you came and doing like this. So these are a few questions from my side for them.
All right, but it can still be really difficult. I especially said that there is a man in need of help because you're a woman, and it can be really unsafe to have a man come in your house when you're alone at night. You know,
Yeah.
so
Yes, it's right.
because you never know.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why I mentioned like first of all, I just have to control on my emotion because there is emotion which arise just and just what will be happen, what will be happen the next moment. So yeah, obviously we are girl and for a moment we just shocked, we just surprised for this moment. So yeah, first of all, I from myself I control my emotion, and then after the next moment I just ask few questions politely, and then yeah, what will be the reaction from the next.
Of the man. Yes,
Yeah.
that is very smart of you, I must say. Because you want to first control your emotions and think
Amen.
rationally,
Yes, right.
right?
Yeah.
You know, there are so many unexpected challenges in life, in real life that we face. What
Yeah.
have been unexpected challenges that you had to deal with in your life?
Yes, yes. So yeah, once I mentioned one is that this is small story for my side. So once, I was, I was a student and I was doing graduation. So at that time, that was unexpected because I always live along with my family. So there I was alone. So that time, that time I was really alone in the evening time, and yes, suddenly, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah. So my family, means my father has came, sorry, come,
Had- yeah, my
and
father had come.
yeah, right, has come.
Had,
So I
Shika
was,
had come.
yeah, my father
Father,
has, yeah, yes.
yeah.
So I was really because I was inside the room and I was locked the room, and they means my father he knocked the room, and that time I surprised. I thought, oh my god, because really by heart I'm a little bit scared for everything. I have some fear like this. So yes, I scared for a moment, but when I for you know I just take some courage, and okay, I thought, okay, I should open the door. And my father,
Okay.
okay, my father has one habit. He if he started to knock someone door, then in the home also, if he came, then he
He
started to
keeps
knock
knocking.
continuously. Yeah. He started to knock continuously without a stop. Then I just opened. When I saw, okay, it's my father. Oh my God, I feel Oh,
Such a relief.
yeah, I feel so relief and so relaxed. So that is a little for only for 5 minute moment, but which surprised me a lot uh, in that day.
Uh-huh. This is one story that you can tell anyone anytime. This is really nice story.
Yes, yes, yes. I surprised her.
Uh, yeah, so I understand that you're a teacher.
Yeah, yes. Oh, how could you recognize?
There was some basic information about you that I read. So what age do you teach?
Yes, so I had to teach from 1 to 5th class, means in primary level.
Okay, how is that?
It's really nice. This is a new experience also for me because yeah, earlier in this job, into this job, so I was also a student. So I had no idea that how could I handle the students and most
Uh-huh.
kids, because the kids, they are so naughty and so for handle them, I had no idea. But after getting this job, then I started. So my staff and my school teacher, they also supported me. And for this, after I think 1.5 month, just involved and very fascinating because the kids, they are so innocent. And I also fascinated, okay, that now I am a teacher, I realized, so I had to give them a nice education, so at least because they are future generation. So like this,
Definitely.
I thought I started to do because you obviously, if we were not in any job, so earlier that we had no much idea. So okay, for initially we had some problem, but after that
Mhm.
it's going smoothly. So now I'm so comfortable and so happy in this job.
That is really nice to know, because so many people they don't like their job or they don't enjoy it, but you're happy in your job and you're comfortable.
Yeah, I'm comfortable, ma'am, because if we are in job, if we are doing something, then I think we should do by heart, not for formality.
Definitely. Definitely, you've spoken very well. Plus, you work with kids. It must be adventure every day, to meet
Yeah.
them.
Yes. For the last 1.5 year, so this is lockdown. But yeah, initially that was a adventure for me, and they around us, around me, and yeah, doing something. Okay, because these are because I think the primary schools, they are mostly belong to village area. So
Right.
children, they are so. I'm not saying they are not like that. Huh? The brilliant student, there are also some brilliant students, some talented students, but there is only need to guide them, a
Hmm.
proper guidance. So also the awareness, some lack of awareness in the village area, and their parents like,
Right.
so that's why it is happening. But
Mhm.
okay, I think in the future everything will be
Uh-huh.
fixed.
The future will be good because there are teachers like you, who are passionate about their work.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm okay, I'm just many times thinking I'm nothing in front of many teachers, because there is many teacher who's innovative. They are so innovative, doing many things day by day. So I inspired by them. So that's why I think, yeah, why not? If they can do and they are doing, so I also.
Yes. Yes. Which is great, to have inspirations around you, to have such an environment which pushes you to grow.
Yeah. One of my cousin brother, he is also a teacher, and he really doing, means wherever he posted, he just changed the environment, transformed the school. So that time I thought, okay, I should be like him, but unfortunately, still I'm not like him. But I just following him, and I will be. And yes,
You're great in your own self, Shikha. I am so happy to be talking to you right now. You
thank
know,
you, ma'am.
because you've taken responsibility of kids, and like you said, there's lack of awareness about education in village areas, but still you've taken the responsibility and you want these kids to be educated, to do well.
Yes, I think we should do. we should do, because if everyone want to do for for other criteria, then who is doing in this basic level? These are the foundation. These are a foundation. So if our foundation or base is not strong, then how could we think that our future will be strong?
Definitely. Definitely. So, how come you, how did you land here at Clap and Go?
Sorry, pardon me.
Yeah, I'm saying, how did you land here at Clap and Go? Why did you join Clap and Go?
So yeah, I started, speaking English because I realized if I'm teacher, then I think I improve myself. I should improve. I should explore myself day by day, because
Right.
updation is also necessary. If we are not update according to time, then the time will update us. So it is necessary. So that's why I think I thought, okay, if I'm I'm doing like speaking and all in English. So if I am better, then I will do for our students also. So I started for this because I want to, I want to like this, that first of all, I want to improve myself. Then I will be good in speaking. So that's why I'm clapping go, because I know here the tutor who can mend me sometimes if I'm doing something mistakes. So right now, and after this, I want to apply in my in my student on my students. I want to just train them. At least not everyone, but yeah, if I started, I just do for 10 for 5 students, then it will be thing for me, because even they are they are not able to write ABC. So if I will
Yes.
be able to train them to introduce himself herself, so it would be first thing that is I achieve, that I
Right, right. You want to motivate and inspire them to,
yeah, yeah.
improve themselves.
Yes, yes, I'm just waiting for opening is, yes, for
For
reopen
the
this.
schools to reopen.
Yes, reopen, and after that I will try, and
Uh-huh.
maybe see what will be happen.
Definitely. Where is your school? Where are you from?
I'm from UP.
Okay. Where is your school?
So I'm from UP and I belong to Raebareli district. So my school in my district, and it is
Uh,
no, not so far. It's very near to my home.
okay. It's not far away.
I
It's very
belong to
near.
village, no? So that's why the school is also in
Uh-huh.
village.
So how are you coping up with pandemic? Because these kids must be underprivileged. I don't think they have devices to attend classes.
Yes. So for this, so first of all, what I think, that if for everyone have different criteria. So I just we are just for awareness of students. So for awareness of students, there is online mode also. But if we are not able to take online and able to understand them by online, then okay, I just try to make a call, that is keypad, because most of the parents have keypad call. So we just try, not only me, many of others, we just try to do this. And like this, we just time day by day also aware them about the situation, and we also try to cop ourselves up. And I got vaccinated
Oh,
also.
okay. Are you completely vaccinated, full doses?
No, it's remaining, the second dose will be,
Is pending.
yeah, it's pending.
All right. So you're trying to right now create awareness in parents that they do not drop their kids out of school.
Yes, yes.
Yes, that is great. But like, how are you teaching these kids right now? Are they taking online classes?
Yes, online classes, we can say, but it's not a really face-to-face mode. So we have to just create some group that is like WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp groups. Okay.
So we have to send PDF note, and daily, daily some links, which is for every class. So every class
Uh-huh.
students have also some links, that is this link for this class, this link for this class. So we have to send them, and these links for uh, also. So we are doing this, and what will be the outcome, that will we sewing, I think, when student will come at school.
Right, but it must be very complicated for kids to understand and follow.
Yes, right. It's a little bit difficult. Yeah, but what should we do? There is no other option. That's why.
Uh-huh. That is true. I do hope that, schools reopen and you get to meet your kids. You must be very excited to see them.
Yeah, right. Because yeah, most of them now, parents and students, whenever they meet us, if they meet us, then their first question is that when school will be open for students. So
Uh-huh. Right.
this is also obviously for,
Important.
because the school are closed only for them for
Right, for their safety.
safety for their
Yes.
safety.
So
Yeah.
what have you been doing in pandemic, since you weren't going to school?
Yeah.
Did you pick up anything new, any new activity or hobby?
Oh, anything new? So this is new thing that I started
Yes.
in
Yes.
this English journey, because yeah, earlier I never did this. So I started in this pandemic. So that is one thing that's new. And yeah, rather than, I also, do practice sometime for dancing at all. But this
Uh-huh,
is
that's
the
great.
one thing. This is the one thing that I started.
Okay, that is great. Something that you can do and you may also enjoy is, and will also help you in English, is you can try to read articles if you have internet connection, which is strong enough. So, you can read articles on school, on education, primary kids. How it will be helpful to you is because you're so keen on improving, even as a teacher. So,
Yes.
you can read these articles. Uh, you can type on Google articles on primary school kids, how to be
Yes.
a better teacher. So, these articles in English,
Yes.
So, what
Yes.
will happen is that, of course, you will read it. It will give you new ideas to
Yes.
teach kids in different ways. Plus, because these will be in English, so you will
Mhm.
learn new words. And when you read them consciously. That how
Yeah.
to also tell kids a lot of times in school that listen to me carefully so
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
you know what am I speaking and you repeat it. So when you read the articles, you can read them very carefully that how are they making the sentence and where are they using the words and in what way. So it will also help you in making better sentences and learning new vocabulary. If you find a word that you don't know meaning of course you look it up in dictionary or on
Yeah.
Google. But I think if you read more, you will definitely enjoy reading.